Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Academy. I'm Rose.
And I'm Jack. Today we have a very exciting topic.
Yes, we're going to show you how to improve your spoken English in just 10 minutes a day.
Only 10 minutes. Or not 3 hours, just 10.
Okay, Jack. Hello, everyone. Please click the like button and subscribe to Mr. English Academy. We post new content every week to help you improve your English.
Back to our main topic.
Exactly, because we know everyone is busy. Work, school, family, and of course, phones.
Yes, especially phones, the biggest distraction in human history.
So true. But imagine if you used just 10 minutes of your scrolling time to practice English.
Your English would improve very quickly.
So today, we'll talk about how you can practice English during your normal daily routine. Number 1, morning practice, just 3 minutes.
Let's start with the morning. Rose, what's the first thing you do when you wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m. I stretch a little and then I make coffee.
Coffee first. Always coffee first.
Absolutely. And while I'm making coffee, I talk to myself in English.
Wait, you talk to yourself?
Yes, it's one of the best speaking practices. For example, I say, "Good morning. Today I need to finish my work, reply to emails, and exercise."
That's actually smart.
It only takes 2 to 3 minutes. Just describe what you're doing.
So you can say, I'm brushing my teeth. The water is cold. I'm still sleepy.
Exactly. Simple sentences, no pressure. And number 2, getting ready, just 2 minutes.
I have a funny habit. When I'm in the shower, I pretend I'm giving an interview.
That's hilarious. What kind of interview?
Like, Jack, how was your day? And I answer, well, it was very productive.
That's amazing practice. You're training your brain to answer questions naturally.
And nobody can hear me, hopefully.
Hopefully. And number 3, commuting or walking, just 2 minutes.
If you drive to work or walk somewhere, that's another perfect time.
Yes, instead of just listening to music, try speaking for 2 minutes.
For example, today I have a meeting at 10 a.m. I feel a little nervous.
Or talk about what you see. The weather is nice today. The sky is very clear.
This builds confidence because you're practicing real-life vocabulary.
And number 4, lunch break practice, just 1 or 2 minutes.
During lunch, you can describe your food.
Yes, I'm eating rice and vegetables. It tastes delicious.
Or give your opinion. I prefer home-cooked food because it's healthier.
See, that's speaking practice without a textbook. And number 5, evening reflection, just 3 minutes.
In the evening before bed, you can reflect on your day.
This is my favorite part. I usually say, today was busy but productive. I finished my tasks.
I try this too, but sometimes I just say, today, I'm tired.
That's honest English.
But seriously, even short sentences help.
Yes, the key is consistency. 10 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week. And number 6, important tips.
Tip number 1, don't worry about mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning. Even native speakers make mistakes.
Tip number 2, speak out loud.
Yes, speaking in your head is good, but speaking out loud is better.
Tip number 3, keep it simple.
You don't need difficult vocabulary. Use daily words. And number 7, real talk.
Let's be honest, some days we feel lazy.
Very lazy.
Some days we say, I'll practice tomorrow.
And tomorrow never comes.
Exactly. That's why 10 minutes is realistic.
Anyone can find 10 minutes.
Even while waiting for food.
Or waiting for a bus.
Or before sleeping. And number 8, final motivation.
If you practice speaking every day for 10 minutes,
that's 70 minutes a week.
And almost 5 hours a month.
Imagine how much your confidence will grow.
Spoken English is not about perfection.
It's about communication.
So start tomorrow morning.
No, start today.
Even after this video, speak for 2 minutes.
Tell us in the comments what you talked about.
We'd love to hear from you.
And remember,
small steps every day
create big results.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
Keep practicing and keep smiling.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.